Okay, here's the view. Good morning, John Walker. And here's the view this morning out of our front door during the snowstorm. It's still snowing some. This is the steps piled up nice and high. That's how the snow has bumped right up to the front door. Look out the front door, the pots. Hi, good morning, John Walker. This is what it looks like this morning. The snow's blowing, it's cold. You can see it. I don't see anyone stirring. Back up and get an idea how the snow piled up in front of the garage. There's about the depth. It's about a foot drift. And there you have it. That's the morning snow. Now, I have said before, if you're young and industrious, in about a couple hours, this is going to stop. If you have a snow shovel, I'll show you what one looks like. You could get out here. You could go around to your neighbors' homes and start pushing snow or shoveling snow for the neighbors. Wouldn't it be great if, all those high school groups you see, football, other groups that love to be at the 7-Eleven wanting to wash your car, if they would come around through their neighborhoods and push snow or shovel snow. I always say push, that's what the trucks do. Wouldn't it be great if they did that for the residents? That'd be a great charity effort. I'm sure the residents would be happy to give them contributions. Now just one last thought on shoveling snow. Shoveling snow is not work. When I grew up, it was a chore. Chores are not work. Chores are stuff, things you have to do before you go to work. Your job is work. Shoveling snow is a chore. Well, for all the young people, that's a snow shovel. Snow shovel a little different than a regular shovel, but I'm going to shovel a little snow, see how heavy it is and not too much. Of course, if you're older and you want to be in good shape for shoveling snow, it can be hard work and it can be intense work for a short period. So you must have a good heart. Otherwise, you could experience a heart attack shoveling snow. It looks light and fluffy, but it can be very heavy, strenuous work, and if you're trying to do too much too soon. So one thought, be careful when you're shoveling snow. Okay, we're looking at an area I just shoveled. Now what I did was I pre-treated last night. So I immediately put some ice melt on here. And you can see the snow. Tried to pan up very slow. Early morning look, snow, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Sorry for the quick pan, shouldn't do that. Once again, a nice early look, the snow, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Good morning, John Walker. This is my final 2 videos of this little snow video. I shoveled my driveway this morning. Now, probably what really helped me last night before the snow fell, I went out and bought ice melt and pre-treated my driveway just like the city pre-treats roads and the way they pre-treat it. So it's pretty easy to shovel after pre-treating. I also pre-treated my steps. I'll show you the product in a second. Okay, here's the product. It's Roadrunner Ice Melt Calcium Chloride Blend. Melts ice fast. One thing you can see, it works down to 15 degrees. Or actually, that's minus 15 degrees. It will keep melting the ice and the snow. As it says, improved melting power. Now I'll point out, if you think you're going to probably run out and buy this today, if you didn't buy it before the storm, it's probably all gone. It will probably be a couple days before they can get more in. They try to get as much in as possible. I purchased this from Walmart. When I went to Home Depot was out. This has been John Walker, Lookout TV. We're out here in Virginia Beach. Thanks for watching my video on our recent snowstorm. And this is how it looks. Final update, and my driveway I shoveled this morning. Once again, thank you and have a great day and be safe out there.